Hi everyone, please take note of the following disclaimer. Please note that this video is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Holy crap, everyone. It's Monday. It's Fun Day Monday. And of course, another weekly MSTR strategy Bitcoin buy. And this time for 22,337 Bitcoin worth 1 point something billion dollars. And if we go to the strategy dashboard and just check out where the purchase came from, this is what's a bit different and a bit special this week. You just click on this here and you'll open up this file here. And if you see, most of the Bitcoin was purchased with the stretch by selling the stretch stock. So there has been a lot of buzz around stretch. Not only that, but they also sold they also sold some more MSTR shares into the market. And was this purchase dilutive or accretive? Before we get into the stretch real quick here. So if you go back to the strategy dashboard, well, not the strategy dashboard, but this dashboard here, sailortracker.net. If this is updated every time there's a Bitcoin purchase, the sats per share, how much Bitcoin are in every MSTR shares, in one MSTR share denominated in sats, which is a smaller unit of account, Satoshis, smaller unit of account of Bitcoin. So if you click on the DOD, day over day, and if you look at the latest purchase, you see that the sats per share jumped from last week. So to 197, went from 195,770 to 197,254 per share, sats per MSTR share. And now with the latest purchase, it was actually a lot more accretive at 201,692. So this is very exciting because it seems like stretch is extremely popular. And when he's buying it using mostly stretch, it's even more accretive. And the latest buzz has been crazy. There's so much content and buzz around stretch because it's smashing all records. They raise a lot of money. It's obviously very popular. You have Bitcoin companies, Bitcoin treasury companies buying stretch or adding stretch to its balance sheet. There's been a lot of buzz. We know that Michael Saylor has called stretch their iPhone moment. So if this trend continues, everyone, he's going to buy all the Bitcoin. There's going to be no more Bitcoin to buy, and the price is just going to keep going up and up and up. So it's March 16th. Bitcoin is up. It's at 73,855. It was dipping a little bit. Now it's at 73,855. And stretch is not even back at 100, which means they're not buying right now. Bitcoin is up and Saylor is not buying any right now with stretch. How do I know that? If we go to the stretch dashboard, they're not buying any because stretch is under $100. Stretch has to be over $100 for them to start issuing more shares at the market or ATM to buy more Bitcoin. Why is stretch under $100? Because it just had its ex-dividend date, right? So if you go to stretch here, go to dividends, March 15th was the ex-dividend date. And because we're smart income-oriented investors, we know that on the ex-dividend date, the stock is going to drop by the same amount approximately as the dividend. So if you actually look at the stretch stock here, you see that here's the dividend right here, the dividend date. Boom, it just dropped right to from 100 to 99 something, but it's already starting to go back up. So it's already back to 99.83. So as soon as that hits $100, they're going to keep rinsing and repeating. They're just going to keep issuing more stretch shares to buy more Bitcoin. And it's pretty crazy. This is, oh my God, it's at 5 billion. Holy crap. Last week, it was at 3.8. Now it's at 5 billion market cap. So stretch is just getting bigger and bigger so fast. And if it gets even more popular and more word gets out there and there's more products built on top of this is just going to fuel more and more Bitcoin purchases, which means more and more Bitcoin out of circulation, which means the price eventually just has to go up. So I'm very excited about this. This is obviously working really, really well for sale. I just wanted to make a quick video on this to show you that, number one, what the purchase was, talk a little bit about stretch, and show you the dashboards and tools I use, because this is the only stock I invest in, MSTR, via the MSDE. So we need to understand what's going on with this stock. So this is really, really cool to see that this purchase was very, very accretive, as shown in the dashboard here. You could see, if you click on day over day, it jumped from last week 197 254 to 201 692. So if we go to quarter over quarter, you could see that, or year over year, you could see that every year pretty much, even during the bad years, like right now, it's kind of a bad year, it's accretive. Everything he's doing is accretive. The whole goal of MSTR is to increase the Bitcoin per share. That's the whole goal. For every MSTR share, I want more Bitcoin exposure. So if you look at, I'm just curious, go to the purchases, you see how much more accretive it was from last week, where yes, they use stretch, but a lot of MSTR as well. So last week's purchase, if we scroll down here, you could see that there was more MSTR ATM than stretch ATM, but for last week's purchase, a lot more stretch, which means it's even more accretive. So it's working really, really well. I know stretch is eventually going to hit $100. As soon as that happens, it's just going to keep buying more and more and more. It's crazy that without even the buying pressure of stretch today, because it's not $100, so there's no Bitcoin purchases, the price is up. But you know, the overall market is up. Bitcoin tends to follow still, kind of like the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq is up. But Strategy has now over 761,000 Bitcoin, guys, which is, I don't know, 3.6% of the overall supply. But that's on 21 million, by the way. Don't forget, there's maybe 3 to 4 million Bitcoin that are completely lost because of lost wallets and lost keys. And then there's Satoshi's wallet. So I think he's probably already at 5% at the available supply. It's pretty crazy. But just wanted to make a quick video. I guess it's not that quick, but to show you the weekly purchase. And it's very, very exciting stuff. There's a lot of buzz around stretch here. All the headlines are about stretch. I love these dashboards here. Make sure to bookmark them if you own MST, if you own MSTR or MSTY, whatever. If you own it, I mean, the stretch is really, look, I didn't even look at it before, but look, it went from 3.8 billion to 5 billion AUM. So it's already at 5 billion. This is crazy, guys. So let me know if you like this video. I could do this every week if you want, to keep you updated on the MSTR purchases. I do it anyway myself. So it's like I'm kind of talking to myself. So let me know if you're interested. I could do a quick video like this every Monday. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, stay passive, stay honorable, and see you next time.